Hey guys, so let's get into one of the most sought after hairstyles for the fall and winter season, and that is a silk press. But we're gonna take it up a notch and we're gonna add clip-ins to it. So people love to wear their natural hair during the colder months because it lasts longer. So we're gonna start off by putting a heat protectant and this heat cream from Maria Nila in there. And my detangling primer from Amika was what I used at first. So then I'm just going to go through and blow her hair out with my favorite blow dryer, which is a Silverbird from Sally's Beauty. I absolutely love this blow dryer. It does what it needs to do. You can get Amika from Salon Centric or Cosmoprof, which is now Salon Centric as well. But yeah, get into this blow dryer. The key to a good silk press is always a blow dryer and a good flat iron. So you gotta flat iron the hair with tension, and I go in using my 1-inch Babyliss flat irons, and I just start from the root and I go down and I pull with tension. So once you pull with tension like that, it's gonna get silky smooth. I also use a serum as well from Design Essentials on our hair, which is giving this flawless shine. So you're gonna take like a 1/2 inch subsection to be able to pull through like this and go from root to end with that same tension, and then you'll get a press like this. So my girl is silky straight, she bone straight, and she ready to slay her clip-ins. So now I'm just gonna grab my clip-ins. We went with 2 16-inch bundles of clip-ins from cpextensions.com. I'm gonna link it below, and they are so full from root to end, and she got the seamless clip-ins, and as you can see, they super full. So we went with 2 bundles of these for this install, and my girl is ready. So I have clipped the hair in between. I didn't do braids, I just clipped it in between for the flattest install. And as you can see here, I'm just simply clipping them in between her hair to make sure that it's super full throughout, and it's absolutely beautiful. So now I'm just gonna layer it, and you have to be careful to not cut your client's hair. You have to determine what's her hair and what's the clip-ins. And I just do a diagonal back section, and I just slice down the hair to blend it for my layers. And I'm gonna give her some long layers because again, you ain't trying to slice your clients up. So you want to give them some long layers. And this is just going to make it really full and natural and blend and not look like her hair is just sitting on top of extensions. So we're going to go throughout and do that. And I've curled her hair using my T3 1-inch curling iron, but I had a little piece in the front that I needed to fix. And this is the end result. And you can't tell me this ain't her hair. It's so natural. Look at how well these curls blend. They blend beautifully. And my girl was feeling herself. The way this install just looks like it's coming out of her scalp. And look how full and bouncy it is. And you wouldn't be able to tell that this is not her hair. And that's what we go for. We go for sexy hair. We go for seamless hair. We go for hair that is undetectable. So if you're looking for an undetectable hairstyle for this season, this is the way to go. So get you some clip-ins from tpextensions.com, seamless body wave clip-ins, and baby, you can get this look too.